Hi there, this is Mehdi and you are welcome to a new tutorial. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to display Elementor pages, sections or save template anywhere on your website using a shortcode. And the best part is we will do this using a free Elementor add-on called Anywhere Elementor or Dynamic add-on for Elementor. This method is extremely useful if you want to reuse Elementor design inside posts, pages, widgets or even custom area of your website without rebuilding them again and again. Before we jump into the main tutorial, if you visit my YouTube channel at WP Handy, then you will find lots of helpful WordPress tutorials including classified listing website, e-commerce website, Elementor guide and core WordPress tutorials as well. So if you want to learn WordPress step by step and grow your skills, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming videos. Alright, let's begin. First thing first, let's check which we are going to do in this tutorial. You can see this is an example website, and if I go to the admin dashboard and just open a post, you can see this is a regular post. Open it, then just scroll down, then you will see I have added the pricing section here. Really, I have added it with a shortcode. And if you want to add any type of content section like your team section or pricing table or any information into the post or anywhere in your website, you can do it with a simple shortcode. And in this case, very fast, you have to install a Elementor free add-on. That's why go to the admin dashboard. Just scroll down and plugins, just hover on it and click over here add plugin. Great. From the right side search box, just you have to type here Anywhere Elementor. That's great. You can see very fast it appears. Dynamic add-ons for Elementor, formerly Anywhere Elementor. Don't worry, I have given the add-on link in this video description. So in this tutorial, I want to use this add-on. Just click over here, install now. Then activate. Perfect. You can see the add-on is installed and activated successfully. Now go to the website and I can close this example website. Just close it. That's great. Okay, you can see this is the website and scroll down. I want to add new section here. So again go to the admin dashboard. And in this step, I have to add the section or pages as a template, and I can do it with this add-on which right now I have installed and activated. You can see Dynamic template. Just hover on it and you can see all Dynamic template or add new Dynamic template. Just click over here, add new Dynamic template. That's great. And you have to give a name. Just I want to give, like I want to add team member. Okay, so I can give here team member. Okay, and from the right side just publish it, then click over here edit with Elementor. Perfect. You can see this is the Elementor editor and it shows a pop-up. Now I can close it. Now you can see some option, and I have installed and activated another add-on whose name is Elements Kit, and you can see this is the Element Kits icon. Actually I want to add phrasing or team member section. That's why I have installed and activated this add-on. Don't worry, I have given this add-on link in this video description as well. So click over here this add-on, or if you want then you can use another add-on as well for the template. So just click here and you can see all available section or pages are showing here. Okay, so go to the section and I want to add team member section. Okay, so just search here team member, just Ctrl F and I can type here team. Okay, and you can see this is the team. Actually I want to use it. Okay, so if you want to add another section like pricing or anything that you want, then you can import from here, or you can create it with the Elementor from scratch. So I want to use it, then insert it. Great. And published from the right side top, click over here, publish. Then again go to the website and edit this page with Elementor. That's why I want to add this template or section in my home page with shortcode. Don't worry, I'll show you how you can add this template into a post as well. Okay, again go to the Elementor editor, scroll down and take a new section here, plus sign, flex box. I hope already you know how to add new section with Elementor. That's great. Now again go to the admin dashboard, then the Dynamic template, hover on it and click over here all Dynamic templates. Then you can see this is the shortcode. Just copy it, select and copy it. Again go to the Elementor editor for home page and search here shortcode. Drag and drop and paste the shortcode here, then published from the right side top. Again go to the website and refresh it and check it. Scroll down and great, you can see the team member section is showing here. And if you want to add, or if you want to show this same team member section anywhere of the website, you can do it, and you have to change it from the on location, and all over the website will be changes. Then again if you want to add this shortcode into a post, then you can do it. So again go to the admin dashboard and posted, just go to the all post and just edit this post. Okay, just I want to show here. Okay, just paste the shortcode and update it. Then again go open the post and check it. Scroll down and you can see it shows perfectly. So again if you edit from here, then it will be changed for the all over the website. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated with the latest WordPress tips and tricks.